Take the guesswork out of plant care with our AquaPots self-watering containers. Choose one of our 3 options and help your customers take their container recipes to the next level. Our handcrafted ceramic AquaPots are the finest quality self-watering containers you'll find on the market today. Each premium glazed ceramic pot has a self-watering system integrated inside, delivering a flawless performance in high style. Remember to stock up on the 2023 AquaPot of the Year, which is Techno White. All ceramic AquaPots will be distributed through BFG Supply for 2023. Make any pot an AquaPot. New for spring 2023, we've developed a new self-watering kit to turn any container into an AquaPot. Simply set the insert down into most any container, round or square, that has a drainage hole in the bottom, and it instantly becomes self-watering. The insert is round, but comes with an optional square fitting to make it work in square pots. Our Watering Simplified kit works with a myriad of classic home and garden containers, including our new lightweight containers, as well as containers from many other suppliers. Retailers have the option to purchase the Watering Simplified kit separately or with lightweight containers through Classic Home and Garden. Learn more about our new AquaPots insert and kits at provenwinners.com.